I am someone who does not function without coffee in the morning, and I've been looking for a cleaner source of that energy in the morning. So thank you to the brand for sending me this sample. This flavor is the pineapple mimosa, and I wanted to kind of walk through some of the questions I know most people have before they are purchasing it to see if this is the right clean energy drink for you. Of course, everybody wants to know, how does it taste? Does it mix well? Is it a gritty texture? So I'm gonna mix this up so that you can see it live on camera. So 1 scoop, and how much you mix into it is completely up to you. This is my 1 quart jar that I tend to use, but you can go anywhere. I guess 8 ounces all the way up to like 32, but I'm somebody who doesn't like a really strong flavor, so I like to mix it in a quart. So I'm going to show you just with my glass straw here. A little bit of clumps, but if you keep mixing, they'll go away. It doesn't stay clumpy. If you happen to have like something like this, or you can mix it in like a shaker bottle, you know, it just does a little bit of a quicker job. But you can keep mixing and use that straw. That's what I do. And you can add ice if you want. It's completely up to what you prefer. So let's taste it and test that texture as well. Surprise, tastes like pineapple. Now for me, this is the perfect amount of like flavor. It's why I like it in the quart-sized jar, just because I don't want like, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm drinking straight pineapple juice. So it is not super sweet when it's diluted this much. And it just helps me get in the amount of water that I'm trying to drink on a daily basis. And then people want to know, does it help with energy and how much caffeine is actually in this drink? So per scoop, that little scoop there, it's 150 milligrams of caffeine. They are natural sources of it. And for me, it does help with that energy. So if I'm not doing coffee, I can do this and I do not feel a difference. I know some people want to know if it is sugar-free. It is 0 calories, and it is sweetened with sucralose if you're wondering about like artificial sweeteners or anything. For my body, this kind of clean energy doesn't give me the headaches or that caffeine drop-off that I get sometimes when I'm drinking coffee, because I drink espresso. The other reason I really like this is because it has a ton of electrolytes. I am somebody that has dysautonomia, if you know what that is, and I need a lot of salt and a lot of electrolytes and a lot of hydration on a daily basis. So this helps me hit all of those in one drink. If you're worried about side effects or energy levels, headaches, or all those things, what you should understand is that each body reacts differently to stimulants. So you need to try this. I think you really appreciate the benefits of it while still getting that energy that you need. I did see that somebody asked if you could mix this with other drinks, in other words, with something besides water. I can't see why you wouldn't, but again, I think you might just want to make sure that the amount of liquid is where you want it to be, because this does have flavor, this does have sweetness. So I could totally see you adding this to a protein shake or something else that you would like to drink in the morning, but I've never done it, so I can't speak to that from like an expertise space. Yes, if you're trying to find a way to start off your mornings cleaner than with a cup of coffee and really focusing on that hydration, those electrolytes and those benefits, but still get that energy, really good option here. And yes, it is on the pricier side, but again, you're putting in 1 little scoop and each container 45 servings. So while on the pricey side, it is 45 servings, 45 days worth of clean energy. So for me, an easy yes.